Welcome to Ebony People TV. Today we are celebrating an incredible achievement from the women of Nigeria's Southeast. They've emerged as the champions in a nationwide literacy survey, topping the charts with the highest percentage of women who can read a whole sentence. Well, it's a big deal for all of us here at Ebony People TV, and I'm very sure it is a big deal for you too. It's a remarkable testament to their dedication, resilience, and the robust educational efforts in the Southeast region. This impressive statistic not only shines a light on their commitment to learning, but also sets a powerful example for other regions. So, stay tuned as we dive into what makes the Southeast region stand out and explore how this inspiring success story is shaping the future of education in Nigeria. Do not miss it.
My people, keep watching Ebony People TV. We should keep on watching Ebony People TV.
Keep watching Ebony TV.
They are very, very good people and they are doing good school.
Please, I want to urge you to keep watching Ebony People TV.
Ebony People TV is the best. All right, people. But I don't see them now.
It's a place you'll be where you get a current news and undiluted news.
Keep watching Ebony State TV. Not all that die. If you touch, if I come on, I'll come back for that remote.
This is Ebony People TV. Recent statistics from StatiSense provide a compelling snapshot of the ability of women to read a whole sentence across the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria. These figures not only highlight the disparities, but also underscore the urgent need for targeted intervention to bridge the literacy gap. The statistics provided by StatiSense revealed a stark contrast in literacy rates among women across the country. The Southeast Zone has the highest percentage of women who can read a whole sentence at 43.2%. This is followed closely by the South-South Zone with 40.1% of women able to read a whole sentence. However, the numbers take a drastic turn as we move to the north, with the Northeast Zone having the lowest percentage of women who can read a whole sentence at a mere 10.7%. The Southwest Zone has a literacy rate of 30.8%, while the North Central Zone has a rate of 17.6%. The Northwest Zone fares slightly better with 13.7% of women able to read a whole sentence. These numbers are alarming to say the least and highlight the significant disparities in literacy rates among women across the country. These figures indicate that the southern regions, particularly the Southeast, have significantly higher literacy rates among women compared to the northern regions. The Southeast boasts the highest literacy rates among women, with 43.2% able to read a whole sentence. This region's advantage can be attributed to several factors like historical emphasis on education, which we all can agree that the Southeast has a long-standing tradition of valuing education. The cultural emphasis has translated into higher enrollment rates in schools and a greater commitment to female education. 2. Government policies and investment. 3. Active civil society. Close behind the Southeast is the South-South region with a female literacy rate of 40.1%. The South-South relatively higher literacy rate can be linked to 1. Oil wealth and economic opportunities. The South-South is rich in oil resources, which has brought economic prosperity to the region. This economic stability has enabled families to invest more in education, including for girls. 2. Educational programs and initiatives. The Southwest, with a literacy rate of 30.8%, lags behind the Southeast and South-South, but still fares better than the northern regions. Key factors include 1. Urbanization and access to education. 2. Government and private sector involvement. The Southwest benefits from a mix of government and private sector investment in education, which has helped improve literacy rates among women from the Southwest. In the North Central region, only 17.6% of women can read a whole sentence. Several challenges contribute to the lower literacy rates, which are sociocultural barriers, economic hardships, inadequate educational infrastructures. Schools in the North Central region often lack basic facilities and qualified teachers, further hampering the quality of education. The Northwest and Northeast regions have the lowest female literacy rates at 13.7% and 10.7% respectively, The challenges in these regions are particularly severe. 1. Conflict and insecurity. The ongoing conflicts and insurgencies, particularly in the Northeast, have disrupted educational systems and displaced communities, making it difficult for girls to attend schools. 2. Cultural norms and early marriages. Deep-rooted cultural norms prioritize early marriage over education for girls. Many girls are married off at a very young age, cutting short their educational journeys. 3. Poverty and lack of investment. Addressing the disparities in female literacy rates across Nigeria requires a multifaceted approach that tackles both the immediate and underlying challenges. Here are some strategies that could help bridge the literacy gap. 1. Community engagement and advocacy. 2. Targeted scholarships and financial support. 3. Improving educational infrastructure. 4. Addressing security concerns. 5. Implementing conditional cash transfers. 6. Promoting adult literacy programs. The disparities in female literacy rates across Nigeria highlights the urgent need for targeted interventions to ensure that every woman has the opportunity to read and write. By understanding the unique challenges faced by each region and implementing tailored strategies, Nigeria can make significant strides towards achieving gender equality in education. At Ebony People TV, we believe that education is the key to unlocking the potential of every individual and building a brighter future for Nigeria. Join us in advocating for female literacy and supporting initiatives that empower women through education here in Ebony State and beyond. Together, we can create a more equitable and prosperous society for us all. And that's a wrap for today's spotlight on the remarkable achievements of women in the Southeast Nigeria. Keep following Ebony People TV for more uplifting stories and updates that celebrate excellence across Ebony State and Nigeria. Until next time, stay informed and stay inspired.